Want to build your own AI-powered app or integrate ChatGPT in your projects? You will need one essential thing, an OpenAI API key. Here's the catch. It's not the same as your regular ChatGPT account. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to get your API key and avoid the most common mistakes that leave people stuck. First, let's quickly understand what an API key is and why it matters. An API or application programming interface key is like a password for machines. It lets your code securely talk to OpenAI's AI services without needing to log in manually. Instead of using ChatGPT through their website, an API key lets you integrate ChatGPT directly into your apps, scripts, or automation tools. You can build chatbots, create content, or analyze data, all through code. This is what separates casual users from actual AI builders. Here's how you can get your API key. First, head to platform.openai.com. Here's that crucial detail. This is completely separate from your ChatGPT account. Even if you're already using ChatGPT, you will need to create a brand new account by clicking Sign Up here. You have several options for signing up: Google, Microsoft, Apple, or traditional email. I'll use email to show you the complete process. Enter your email. Create a strong password with at least 12 characters as per OpenAI's guidelines, so make it strong. This is going to protect your API access, so don't skim on security here. Check your inbox for the verification email and click the link. You'll be redirected back to the platform. This step is mandatory. Don't skip it. Back on the platform, you will need to finish your account setup. They'll ask your name, birth date, standard information. Fill it out and continue. Next, they will ask you for your organization's name. This could be your company name, project name, or even just your own name. Don't stress about it. You can change this later. When you're done, click Create Organization. Unlike regular ChatGPT where everyone needs their own account, developer accounts can be shared across teams. You can invite team members now, but I recommend skipping this step and adding people later once you are fully set up. Now for the main event, generating your API key. Give it a descriptive name so that you can identify it later, set a project name if you want, or just hit Generate API key to keep things simple. And there it is, your first API key. Now this is absolutely crucial. OpenAI will only show you this API key once. Copy it immediately and save it somewhere secure. I use a password manager, but wherever you store it, make sure you won't lose it. If you do, you will have to generate a new one. And here's where most people get stuck. Don't stop at key generation. Press continue. Your shiny new API key won't work until you add credits to the account. I recommend starting with $5. It will last longer than you think, since the models are getting cheaper every month. You can see exactly how much usage that amount covers on the pricing page. Add your payment method and you're good to go. If you need to find your API keys later, it's quite simple. From the home page, head over to the dashboard, then click API keys in the left menu. Here, you will see all the keys you have created. You can edit them, delete them, or create new ones. The biggest mistakes I see people make are forgetting to save the API key immediately, not adding credits to their account, trying to use their ChatGPT login credentials. And avoid these 3 pitfalls and you are golden. That's it. You now have your OpenAI API key and you're ready to start building. What are you planning to build with your new API key? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more no fluff tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.